Hi, I'm Vic, and today we're talking about plumbing plans, the document that determines whether your water pressure will be too weak to use, your drains will back up and overflow, your toilet won't flush properly, or your system will fail completely just a few years after you move in. Simply put, a plumbing plan is the blueprint of everything that flows inside your house, where clean water comes in, where waste goes out, and how the system vents to keep it all working. If it's wrong or missing, your plumber guesses, and you pay for it later. Every complete plumbing plan covers three systems: the water supply that brings clean water to your fixtures, the drain waste vent system that removes waste and keeps sewer gas out of your home, and the septic system that treats everything before it hits the ground. And if your area doesn't have consistent water supply, your plan will also need to include a water storage system, whether that's a ground reservoir, an elevated water tank, or both, complete with pumps and all the calculations to make sure water gets to every fixture at the right pressure. All of these must be there, and if anything is missing, don't sign off on it. More detailed plans will also include pipe sizes, material specifications, slope calculations for drainage lines, and fixture schedules for every sink, toilet, and floor drain. The more complete, the better. Here in the Philippines, your plumbing plan must be signed and sealed by a licensed master plumber, not a draftsman, not your contractor, not whoever drew the lines. Before construction starts, check four things. The professional's PRC number is on the plan, all three systems are covered, pipe slopes and sizes are specified, and the septic tank location matches your actual lot layout. Miss any of these and you're building blind. Remember, skipping or rushing your plumbing plan doesn't save money. It just moves the problem to after the walls are closed, where fixing it costs 5 times more. Now that you understand the plumbing plan, the next step is the document it works alongside. I already made a full video breaking down architectural plans in the same simple way. It's on your screen right now. Watch it next.